wa mwiri kiwatho wacungiriirwo ni notithi ya watho na iria yaheirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi kuri tariki 25 kana kuri mwaka wa 2019 tariki 25 januari ya mwaka wa 2019 iria yacokire kurehe kana kuhe kanya bodi ya Thibitari ucio kuramata gutwara mbere Thibitari ucio rungu rwa ministrii kana ministri ya ugima wa mwiri gukiri uguo githoma kana gukiri uguo ugima wa mwiri kigena kire gicokete kurekererio ari hamwe na munene wa watho guku bururi-ini magikinya mbere ya kamiti ya bunge gutariria ndeto no tauria Chege wa Wanjohi aratariria.
Kuringana na ndumiriri ya maminista a ugima wa mwiri githomo na kigina mari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie wigithia wa utongoria hamwe na githomo maugite ati Wigwatiri wa Thibitari wa mathomo wa Kenyatta wacungiriirwo ni notithi namba inya ya watho ya mwaka wa 2019 ya mutongoria wa bururi iria yaheire bodi ya Thibitari ucio mahinya ma kuramata rungu rwa ministri ya ugima wa mwiri.
Kutrrh is a corporation established Cap 466 of Kenyan laws, and the president may establish a state corporation as a body corporate to perform the functions specified in that body. In the legal notice of number 4, Kutrrh was established as a state corporation. Equally, Chair and honorable members.
Mihango ya gucokia Wigwatiri wa Thibitari ucio kuri thukuru wa mathomo wa Kenyatta ariguo mwihoko na muoroto munene wa urugamiriri wa thukuru ucio hamwe na arutwo riu ni ugumirwo ni muhinga wa watho ucio kuona watho ucio wateanirio wahota kurugamia uheani wa motungata wa Thibitari ucio hamwe na gucungirira gucenjio kwa icunje citiganite cia watho ta gicunje kia watho wa ugima wa mwiri kia mwaka wa 2017.
The ask of the committee that the hospital remains to function as a referral hospital under the Ministry of Health. And let us look at the bigger picture of the Kenyan patients who are waiting for service. Let us look at the other referral hospitals in how they are functioning.
Riu atongoria acio mari mbere ya kamiti iyo ni mendekithitie thukuru ucio wa Kenyatta hamwe na Thibitari cinyitanire hari uheani wa motungata makiria niguo gutigirira arutwo ni magunika na githomo o ta uria wari muoroto wa waki wa
given time for the training. So based on that, I advised my colleague CS that then now we need to have them proceed and do logistics because the students must be accompanied by supervisors. So the university has to make now provision and get supervisors to accompany the students for them to be able to do their practicals and internship at the hospital.
And indeed, Kenyatta University, our medical students, that is top on my agenda, that they have to access not only Kenyatta Referral and the Teaching Hospital, but also the hospitals around so that the doctors we produce for this country and for the world at large, because they don't only work here, but they work also in other parts of the country, they get the very best.
He has already advised that the two institutions should work on appropriate arrangement to facilitate the utilization of the hospital for medical education, research, and as envisaged in it as an instrument.
Oho kuringana na minista wa kigina guku bururi-ini Elijah Ndung'u augite ati ministri yake ndiri na uhoti wa kurugamirira gucenjio kwa Thibitari ucio kuri thukuru kuona wakirwo na kigina kia runi kuma bururi wa China kigina kiria thirikari irariha nginyagia muthenya wa umuthi.
It is important to clarify that neither Kenyatta University nor Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Research Hospital is carrying the burden of repaying the loan. Not even it is not even in their books. The government has been repaying the loan through the National Treasury. The same loan is part of the books of the national debt managed by the National Treasury.
Hado-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa ria wa Wanjohi.